my channel, welcome to my kitchen. So today in my kitchen I'll be making ogbono soup, delicious draw soup. So I'll show you how I dissolve my ogbono. We have like two ways of dissolving your ogbono. You can dissolve your ogbono on a warm red oil. You can also dissolve your ogbono on a hot water. So today I'm using this method. I'm dissolving the ogbono on a warm red oil. So I've already poured the oil in the pot, and I'll be pouring this ogbono as well. Make sure you don't use, you just melt it on a low fastest way of dissolving your ogbono. I have to take the camera close to the pot. So once you finally dissolve the ogbono, you start adding water. You can see the more water you add, the more thicker the ogbono becomes. So you make sure that you keep stirring it so that it can get the best raw part of it. Make sure you add more water and keep stirring until you get the consistency that you want. Okay, can you see? This is how I want it to be exactly. So I'll go on adding meat. I've added chili, meat, stockfish and dry fish. Then I'll start cooking my ogbono soup. So I'm adding this. Sweating. Time to taste. Tasting is very important to me. On point. So I'll be using a pumpkin leaf cocoa. I'm not using bitter leaf. I'll use cocoa. After now I'm adding this ogbono leaf, then the ogbono is ready.